your style and who you are as a person and how you just carry yourself can be the very thin line between a fit being like, damn, that's fly, and damn, that's tacky.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost. We are here with another haul slash try on slash style lookbook, if you will. Graphic tees have definitely made, I feel like, a major comeback. I've been seeing them styled by a lot more people lately. Personally, I love to get my graphic tees from Walmart. Not only are they affordable, Walmart also has really great options, and 9 times out of 10, whenever you see me, whether I'm glam or not, I almost always have on one of my Walmart graphic tees. I have put together 4 outfits for you guys to check out, so that way if you guys need some inspiration to style your graphic tees, hopefully I can be of some assistance. So let's go ahead and get into the first. The links will be listed down below in the description box if I can find these t-shirts on the Walmart website. Also, along with the other pieces that I'm wearing with them. Most of them I've had in my closet for a minute, so I doubt I'll be able to find them. But what I can do is find pieces that mimic what I'm wearing, and then, you know, you can cop from there. This very first fit that I'm going to be showing you guys is a white graphic tee. It is Too Fast, Too Furious. You guys know they just had another movie come out not too long ago. I paired this Too Fast, Too Furious graphic tee with some Love Culture jeans. If you guys remember Love Culture, thumbs up this video. That's like a OG. I don't even think that Love Culture is open anymore, but they used to have the pieces, honey, okay? So these Love Culture jeans, no, they did not come like this. It was already kind of like some holes in the jeans, and your girl just kept gaining weight. Like, my weight fluctuates a lot, specifically in like my thighs and my butt area when I do gain weight. And I started to bust through the jeans. But y'all know over here on this channel, we love a good distressed jean, so that didn't really matter to me. I paired them also with these red Chuck Taylors. I absolutely love Converse. I own so many pairs of Converse. Like, this is my favorite, especially now because like all of the cool and cute shoes, like you gotta literally fight to be able to just get a fly ass shoe, and I'm just not interested in that. So girl, give me some Vans, give me some Converses, maybe some Air Maxes or something I can go get out the damn store. I ain't got time to be fighting with no advocates. So the next piece that I'm wearing is this Mona Lisa, I guess, inspired shirt, or like this Renaissance inspired graphic tee, and it says "You are art," which hello. I paired it with these Fashion Nova shorts. I have had these shorts for probably like 2, almost 3 summers now. Hopefully if they're still on the Fashion Nova website, there'll be a link down below listed for them. I also paired them with these orange shoes that I got from Fashion Nova. These heels are so comfortable. They have a very nice chunky heel. Not that you can really see them all that well because obviously the video was about the graphic tees. I also paired it with this army green jacket, or this army fatigue jacket. I thrifted this from Goodwill some years ago. Like, I've had this jacket for a very long time. And then I also paired them with these OG Shop the Fashionceesta shades. They are called Iconic, and I will make sure I leave the link down below in the description box if you guys want to check these shades out. They come in this leopard print that I have on right now, and then they also come in a solid black. They're very cute statement piece glasses. If you know anything about me, you know your girl loves some shade. The third look is this Selena graphic tee. Honey, I just wanted to give something very sleek, very sexy. I'm thinking about like maybe like you going out on like a nice little dinner with your girls, or even with your boo, whoever, and you just want to give a really like dressed down but like glam casual is what we'll call it. Did I just come up with a new like thing? I'm gonna need to trademark that for the girls start using it. But this is a very glam casual look. As a professional makeup artist, there is nothing that I own more than black clothing. So this all black number is fire. I would actually wear this to go like do makeup in, obviously substitute the heels for like either a all black Converse or my Crocs or something super comfortable, but I really like this. And then I just paired it with my studs, kept it super simple. These leather shorts that I have came from Forever 21, so they're probably pleather shorts, you know, because they were very cheap. And then obviously I topped them off with my black Steve Madden stiletto heel. The last outfit I'm actually still in right now, and it is this biggie small shirt. I have worn it before, so this is how I initially styled it. Just, you know, cute little half up, half down, my shades, and then I had on some black jeans and Converse, kept it super just all black and simple, like I told y'all with the Selena look. But something just clicked in my head, because I'm like, I could put these on with jeans and a Converse, but that's not really styling up. Let me think outside of the box. Then I thought about these Forever 21 trousers that I've had for over 2 years that I have yet to wear, and they fit so good. I love to mix prints and colors. To me, honestly, your style and who you are as a person and how you just carry yourself can be the very thin line between a fit being like, damn, that's fly, and damn, that's tacky. I did have on my dirty Converse. I feel like everybody should own 2 to 3 pairs. Like, you need a clean pair, but then also the dirty rugged look. A lot of people like that, and I was gonna try to pair my dirty ones with this look, but it just wasn't given. It was given dingy. And I just paired it with these pearl earrings. These pearl earrings actually came from the hair store. Be careful, because if you have sensitive ears or you're sensitive to like fake jewelry, then, you know, tread light. This video was super quick, super straight to the point. I hope that you all loved it. Let me know if you guys want to see more style videos from me. I have way more graphic tees than this from Walmart. The only thing is, the ones that I showed y'all are the only ones that I have to clean at the moment, because baby, I live in a graphic tee. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to let me know which outfit was your favorite, and just let me know what other types of style videos you guys would like to see from me in the future. Bye.